Hello everyone, Pranav here. Welcome back to my channel. मेरा नमस्ते आप सभी को. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing fantastic as always. So today I'm going to continue with the classifications of noun. And before I do that, let me recap what we have learned so far. And if you guys can grab yourself a notebook and a pen, then it will be really amazing because if you write the concepts down, then it registers in your brain and there is a chance of 85% of retention. So I encourage you to grab those for yourself. And without wasting any time, let's start with the video. So before I share about the classification of noun, the next part, I would like to encourage you guys to watch the previous 2 weeks video if you haven't watched them yet, because this is a continuation of from last 2 weeks, and it will be nice that if you go through them and come with fluency, and that will add a lot of value in your life as well. So before I start off, let's recap. So last week we covered about collective noun, about the singular and plural noun, about countable and uncountable noun. And by the way guys, singular and plural noun are part of countable nouns. So since we've covered the three classifications of noun, let's add one more to the list and talk about concrete noun and abstract noun. So what is concrete noun? These are the nouns which can be identified by any of our 5 senses. So what are our 5 senses? Number 1, touch. 2, hear. 3, smell. 4, see. 5, taste. And concrete noun can be proper noun, common noun, collective noun, countable and uncountable noun. So let's take some example now. A kitten, burger, and loud music. So a kitten can be touched, seen, hear and smell, and burger can be touch, see, taste and smell, and of course noise, it's a loud noise or hear. So let's take some example on sentence formation now. Shirley's voice is amazing. By the way, I really love her because the way she sings is good, and of course she's really cute, so I like her. He's having lunch now. Ajay bought his new iPhone. That's amazing. So since we are done with concrete noun, let's deep dive into the other part of this video, which is what is abstract noun. It is a noun that cannot be identified from any of our senses, like touch, hear, smell, see, and taste. So you guys might be confused, like then what is it all about? How can we get through it if it's not being understood by our senses or something? Here is your answer for this. It defines 3 things. 1, idea. Number 2, quality. Number 3, state. With idea, quality and state, I mean idea is an idea. Quality means it should be of profound quality. State, your state of mind is what I mean. So let's take some example. It will help you ease out and clarify your whatever doubts you are having right now. So dream, it's an idea. Then quality, humbleness, that's a personal trait of a human being. And then state of mind, happiness. It's really important to be happy at any given point of time. So let's take some example on sentence formation now. Rajesh is very intelligent boy. Our relationship will last forever. It will for sure, because we are growing such amazing pace. It is my pleasure to welcome you all. So let's take example on combination of concrete noun and abstract noun now. And there is a color code. Concrete noun will be regarded as orange and abstract noun will be in black. Rahul is very emotional person. Rahul and person is a concrete noun and abstract noun is emotional. Manushi is a beautiful girl. Manushi girl is a concrete noun and then beautiful is an abstract noun. Ajay got an idea to create a mansion. Ajay and mansion is a concrete noun and idea is abstract noun. So this is pretty much about the video today guys. I just covered a small part of it, and let's revise now what we have covered so far. So today we talked about the final part of classification of noun, that's concrete noun and abstract noun. So firstly we covered about concrete noun, and then secondly we covered about abstract noun and their application with examples and stuff. And finally we talked about the example combination of noun and abstract noun. So this is pretty much about the video, guys. I hope that it was valuable for you, and thank you so much for watching my video and tuning in today. I hope that I was able to add value. If you guys feel the same, then do like this video, share it with your friends and family, and do let me know in the comment section where you guys are tuning in from. It's really amazing to know where you are checking in from. And apart from that, if you guys have any doubts related to the video I shared today and from last 2 weeks, then do let me in the comment section, or also you can DM me on my Instagram profile. You can see the handle here, right here in front of you, and you can just go and DM me. I'll try my best to answer all of your questions. And yeah, next week I'll be again coming up with parts of speech stuff, and till then, Meera, Namaste, आप सभी।